Your windows play a crucial role in the overall functionality, comfort, and aesthetic appeal of your home. Over time, however, windows can become worn out or less effective, leading to higher energy bills, security concerns, and a decrease in curb appeal. If you're a homeowner in Mandeville, understanding the signs that it's time for window replacement can help you make an informed decision about upgrading your windows before they cause more serious issues. In this article, we'll explore the most common signs that it's time to replace the windows in your Mandeville home and how upgrading to newer, energy-efficient windows can benefit you. Drafts and cold spots. One of the most obvious signs that your windows may need replacing is the presence of drafts or cold spots near the windows. If you notice that your home feels unusually chilly, particularly during the winter months, it may be due to your windows failing to provide proper insulation. Energy loss. Older windows, particularly single-pane models or poorly sealed windows, can let cold air in and warm air out. This leads to a loss of energy efficiency, causing your heating system to work overtime to maintain a comfortable temperature inside. Higher energy bills. As a result of increased energy loss through your windows, your utility bills may increase significantly. If you find yourself constantly adjusting your thermostat to compensate for temperature fluctuations caused by drafts, it might be time to consider window replacement. Visible damage or wear and tear. Another sign it's time to replace your windows is visible damage or significant wear and tear. Over the years, windows can become damaged from exposure to the elements, everyday use, or general aging. Look out for the following signs. Cracks or chips. If your window glass has cracks, chips, or other visible damage, it's not just an aesthetic issue. It can compromise the window's insulation and security. Even small cracks can allow air and moisture to enter your home, leading to further damage over time. Warped frames. Wooden window frames can warp or rot when exposed to moisture, while vinyl frames may become brittle and cracked. Damaged frames compromise the window's function and security, making them prone to leaks or break-ins. If your frames are showing significant damage, it may be time to replace the entire window. Difficulty opening and closing. If you struggle to open or close your windows, it's a clear indication that they are no longer functioning as they should. Whether due to warping, sticking, or other issues, windows that are hard to operate can be frustrating and may present a safety risk. Security concerns. Windows that are difficult to open or close properly can also compromise your home's security. In case of an emergency, you need to be able to quickly open your windows as an exit route. Faulty windows could prevent that. Energy efficiency. If your windows don't seal properly when closed, air can leak in or out, decreasing your home's energy efficiency. Properly functioning windows should close tightly and seal against drafts to maintain indoor comfort. Condensation or fog between window panes. Have you noticed condensation or fog between the panes of your windows? This is a common issue with double-pane windows, and it's usually a sign that the seal has broken. When the seal is compromised, moisture can get trapped between the panes, leading to fogging or condensation that can't be wiped away from the inside. Decreased insulation. When a seal fails, the window's ability to insulate is diminished, making it less effective at keeping the outside temperature from affecting your indoor space. This can lead to higher energy costs and decreased comfort levels inside your home. Aesthetic concerns. In addition to compromising energy efficiency, condensation or fog between panes can make your windows look unattractive and aged. New windows with intact seals will improve both the appearance and functionality of your home. Outdated style and design. Sometimes, it's not just about function, aesthetic appeal matters too. If your windows are outdated in style or no longer match the aesthetic of your home, replacing them can significantly improve your home's curb appeal. Older windows may look tired, unkempt, or out of place, especially in modern homes or homes with updated interior designs. Modern designs. New window designs are available in a variety of styles, including energy-efficient glass, sleek frames, and custom shapes that can enhance your home's overall look. Whether you want to add a bay window for more natural light or replace outdated casement windows with modern sliders, new windows can give your home a fresh, updated look. Increased value. Replacing old windows with more modern options can also increase your home's resale value. Potential buyers often consider window quality when evaluating a home, and updated windows are an attractive feature that adds both style and functionality to your property. Increased noise levels. If you notice more outside noise entering your home than before, it could be a sign that your windows aren't doing their job properly. Older, single-pane windows or windows with broken seals are less effective at blocking sound from the outside, whether it's traffic, neighbors, or weather conditions. Soundproofing. New windows, particularly those with double or triple glazing, can significantly reduce outside noise, making your home more peaceful and comfortable. This is especially important if you live in a busy area of Mandeville or near a noisy street. Excessive maintenance. Do you find yourself constantly painting, sealing, or repairing your windows? Over time, windows, especially wood-framed ones, can require constant upkeep to maintain their appearance and functionality. If you're tired of the time and effort spent maintaining your windows, it may be time to upgrade to newer, more durable models. Low-maintenance options. Many new window materials, such as vinyl or fiberglass, are much more durable and require little to no maintenance. These materials don't need to be repainted or resealed regularly, saving you time and money on upkeep. Conclusion. If you're noticing any of these signs in your Mandeville home, it's time to consider window replacement. New windows not only improve the appearance of your home but also enhance its energy efficiency, security, and comfort. Whether you're dealing with drafty windows, broken seals, or outdated designs, replacing your windows can provide long-term benefits that increase your home's value and make your living space more enjoyable. Take the first step towards improving your home by investing in quality window replacement today.